In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best mirror dash cam available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the mirror dash cam list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the mirror dash cam mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, ACCEO 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam. The ACCEO 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam features a 10-inch touchscreen rearview mirror design, offering both convenience and style. With 4K recording capabilities and Wi-Fi connectivity, it captures high-resolution footage and allows for easy access to your recordings. The included rearview camera enhances your visibility and safety on the road, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Its compact and sleek design adds a modern touch to your vehicle's interior, making it a practical and stylish choice for any driver. Number 4, 4K Wi-Fi GPS Car DVR. This 4K Wi-Fi GPS Car DVR is equipped with a high-quality Sony IMX415 sensor for stunning 3840 2160p resolution recording. Its 12-inch display provides a clear view of the road ahead, while built-in GPS offers precise location tracking. The rearview mirror design seamlessly integrates into your car's interior, offering a sleek and functional addition to your dashboard. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily access and share your recordings, making it a convenient and reliable companion for your travels. Number 3, Imagebon E64 Android Dash Cam. The Imagebon E64 Android Dash Cam combines innovative technology with convenience, featuring a large 10.26-inch display and Android 13 operating system. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity and GPS navigation, it offers seamless connectivity and accurate positioning for your journeys. Its 8-core processor ensures smooth performance, while Bluetooth phone call functionality adds hands-free convenience. The rearview mirror design enhances visibility and style, making it a versatile and practical addition to your vehicle. Number 2, 4K Dual Lens Dashcam. This 4K Dual Lens Dashcam boasts high-resolution recording capabilities, capturing sharp and detailed footage of your driving adventures. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and GPS tracking, it offers convenient access to your recordings and precise location data. Its night vision feature ensures clear imagery even in low-light conditions, while the 24-hour parking monitor provides continuous surveillance of your vehicle. The rearview mirror design adds a discreet and integrated touch to your car's interior, enhancing both style and functionality. Number 1, AZDOME PG17 Dual Dash Cam. The AZDOME PG17 Dual Dash Cam features an expansive 11.8-inch full-touch screen for easy navigation and viewing. With its 2K resolution and advanced night vision technology, it captures clear footage day or night, enhancing your driving safety. The rear backup camera provides additional coverage, ensuring comprehensive monitoring of your surroundings. Its sleek mirror design seamlessly integrates into your car's interior, offering a sophisticated look while providing essential functionality.